under the desk magnetic cycle, Abdomen 360 with all of the attachments, and a DVD that has beginners, intermediate, and advanced workouts, and also a relaxing massage workout. An air compression therapy device, an electric toning belt for your abdomen. This treadmill is right now selling at Lowe's for $479. This treadmill is practically brand new. The noise you hear is because it ain't been being used. It's been more of a clothes rack than anything because it can fold up. See how it folds up for easy storage? And on the handles, there is controls, and it also measures your heart rate there. There's controls on both handles.